If you want to see how I got this bomb hair, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I just received this hair from a new hair company. It's called Just Virgin Hair. The package came FedEx. It came in 1 day. Their shipping is 1 to 2 days, so it's very fast. I got 3 bundles. 18, 20, and 22, and then I got a 16-inch closure. This is the closure. I guess we're gonna start with the closure first. This is what it looks like. It's a middle part, and it also has baby hairs. And the texture of this hair is deep wave. So as you can see, it's very wavy. The smell of this hair doesn't have a smell. It just smells new. This is the 22-inch bundle. As you can see, this hair is very lustrous and it has a lot of shine. This is the 22-inch bundle. It's very long and bouncy. Again, like I said, this hair is deep wave. So when I undo all these, it'll be wavy and curly. This is the 18-inch bundle. These are the wefts. They're very, all of this hair looks like it's constructed very neat. And it doesn't have a smell. Some hair usually has a smell, but this doesn't have a smell. It smells clean. This is the 20-inch bundle. These are the ends of the hair. I'm actually gonna dye this hair. This is the closure. I'm gonna dye this hair blonde. I'm gonna just dye like the ends of it. Again, this is 16, 18. No, this is 16, 18, 20, and 22 inches. So it's very long. Yes, this hair is very soft. It just feels very soft, and I know when I wet it and unravel these curls, it's gonna be really pretty, and when I dye it. But the hair is very soft. I'm not getting no shedding at all. The ends also, they look very neat. Their stuff is very neat and nice, and it's just so organized. For a new company, everything is just organized. It came fast. The hair is pretty, very pretty. Everything about this hair will be linked in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box. This is what the hair looks like installed. This is the part. I didn't really pluck it that much. I did a little bit, but as you can see, I dyed the ends of it, and this is the natural color, the black. This is deep wave hair, so it's kind of wavy, and when you wet it, the curls always come back. But all the deep wave hair I've had before has been way more kinky, but this hair is curly, and every time I wet it, the curls do come back. I really like this hair because it looks real, and it feels like real hair, and it doesn't shed a lot, and it's true to length. And these deep wave curls, they're more like stretched. So if you want like a stretched look, I suggest you get this hair. Again, the hair company is Just Virgin Hair, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.